grandson of Obokidi, great-grandson of Ayaka the Great. What brings you to the presence of Agi Oriobara?
Great Oriobara. Great Oriobara. I am forever faithful to you. I am highly honored for accepting my humble sacrifice once again. I am loyal, ancestors of Aluku. I have come here with a heart heavy with tears and anguish for the slavery and the bondage which my entire household has been subjected to by poverty. The life of penury have I known since I was a child. The same fate is that of my beloved and only son, Ejikemowa, who the wicked claws of poverty has reduced his manly values and denied him the peace and happiness his fellow young men enjoy. Toiling and humiliation have been his daily drinks. It hurts me to see his tears of affliction. It hurts me when I watch him toil endlessly to no avail. Great Oriobara, please, this is why I have come to you, with the sadness and concern of a loving father for his son's mishap, for you to unravel the misery of this poverty that has beclouded my family. Please, give him riches beyond every human imagination. Grant him success and prosperity above all his mates. Wipe the tears of poverty from his eyes. I cannot make demands for all these favors for myself, knowing I am like a withering man, that each breath draws close to his grave. That even if I am gone, my spirit cannot rest in the land of my ancestors until my entire family is set free from the bondage and humiliation of poverty, and my son is made the envy among his equals. Great Oriobara, please help me.
Your words are well understood. Your request as clear as crystal. For the remedy to your predicaments is soaked in blood. Blood!
How do you mean, Great Oriobara?
I am willing to grant your desperate request, but you must pay a little price in return.
I am ready to pay any price.
The blood of your son, Ejikeme, a fair option. The only blood that is equal to that blood of your child is the blood of a male from your household. Since there is none but him, your own blood is the last. You have to be the sacrificial lamb.
What?
You heard me.
Hey.
Your death is his properties. Riches beyond mortal's imagination. The choice is yours.
What can I do?
Because, sir, I need some money.
Ejike, how many times have I told you that Chief has not given me money?
I know, sir. I know you've told me, but I need some money. Because no matter how small, I have family issues, serious problems that I need to solve with money, Because.
Are you deaf? Didn't you hear what I said? I don't have money.
I heard you, sir. But please, for the sake of God, just help me. You're the engineer here now. There's no way you will not have small thing in your pocket. Because just help me. It will be terrible for me if I get home today without any money at all.
How is that my business? Am I responsible for your miserable life and misfortune? Please, you'll excuse me.
I have heard you.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Yeah.
Welcome.
How was your day?
How did you expect it to have been?
Amanda! Amanda!
Sir?
Come here!
Sir?
What is this?
I'm sorry, sir. It was what Madam asked me to serve you.
Madam! Call her for me. Go.
I hope you're enjoying the meal.
What meal? Huh? What meal? Is this meal? Meal? What's meal of this rubbish now?
I'm sorry, I don't understand what you're talking about.
You don't understand? You served me garri, dry garri for me to drink, but I saw you when I came in here. You just left with a plate of rice, very good plate of rice, just now, and you gave me garri.
Rice, what? Oh, so you like rice, eh? Let me ask you a question, Etiko. Did you leave any seed of rice or any ingredients for cooking when leaving this house this morning? I asked you for money for cooking. What did you tell me? You said in your usual slogan, hey, I don't have money, I have not been paid at the site. Suddenly, you've developed a huge appetite for rice. Tell me, does anyone plant cassava and expect to harvest cereal? Or do you expect me to go out every day and hustle for my petty business and use the proceeds to feed a full-fledged man like you? Hey! Mba! It is men that feed their wives, not otherwise. Oh?
Why are you treating me like this? Huh? Why are you treating me like this just because I no longer have a business? Eh? I no longer have money. Why are you treating me like this? Was I not providing for you when I had money? Was I not taking good care of you when I had money? Why do you seize every given opportunity to remind me of my misfortune? Why? Eh? Why are you making my heart bleed? Why? Why do you choose to make me cry all the time? Where have I gone wrong? Where?
You have gone wrong in every way. The minute you became a liability than a husband to me. Are you not ashamed of your miserable life? You can't even live up to your responsibilities like your fellow men. My dear, if you don't have anything else to say, I would like to use the door. Nonsense. Your face like that. A quit notice.
Darling, I'm asking you again. Where are you packing to?
Hey! Don't darling me, Emchike! Don't darling me! As you can see, I am done packing my things. I am done with the shame of a thing called marriage. This thing called marriage, I am done, Ejike. I'm ashamed of being seen with a weakling like you. A man that cannot live up to his responsibilities as a man. Talk more of paying his bills. Ejike,
my love, don't do this now, Biko. It's me, oh. You can't leave me. Biko, don't go. Don't go now, please.
Don't go. Ejike, I am done with your flattery. It's not those days you used to deceive me. I can now see. I am no longer blind. Let me go and pick up the pieces of my life before you destroy it. You are ill luck. You are bad luck, Ejike. You are bad luck. I am done.
No, don't do this now, Biko. Don't do it. We can settle this thing. Don't
settle?
Sorry. Biko. Don't kill me in the process now. Listen, my love, I still love you. This thing is a small thing, I know. So, Biko, don't do like this now. If you leave me like this, how will my love, Biko, now I will not survive this thing you want to do.
You will survive it,
I can't survive it.
You will survive it, You will survive it, I am done, Ejike. Ejike, I am done.
Now, Biko,
Who is your love? Who is your love? I am tired.
I still want to marry. Don't do this.
I am tired. Leave me alone. I am tired. I don't want to marry again.
You are shouting.
I am tired. I don't want to marry again. Leave me alone. I don't want to marry again. I am tired. I don't know what to say.
I still want to marry. Don't do this thing now. You can't fix this, me, oh.
It is not that I have that kind of money to give to you now. But let me see what I can do.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Uche. God will bless you.
But on one condition. You'll give me that parcel of land of yours at Eke as a collateral. And if you don't pay back within 1 month, the land becomes mine.
No, now. Uche. Nayamadi, that is too harsh now. That's too harsh. Easy now. This is the only inheritance I have. The only thing we have, that parcel of land. We take it and give to you. What we tell us to bring another collateral and not that one.
Is it still not your inheritance? Or are you saying you do not want to pay back again after all? Answer me.
It's okay. My son Ekeme, I understand your fears. I understand your fears. But we don't have the time for such now. You know your mother's life is at stake. So we don't have further time for moral dialogue. Amade, we concur. We concur.
You now spoke like a man. Good. Let me now go and bring the document for us to sign. To avoid, as you know it's my usual procedure, to avoid had I known in the future. Okay, wait for me.
So, Magic, I've seen the land. It's good. The thing is that I will get back to the chief today and tell him everything. We'll get back to you.
Ichie, good day, sir.
Yeah, good day, Magic.
Biko, can I have a word with you in private?
Oh, for sure, for sure. Excuse me.
Ichie, what are you people doing on this land?
Which land? Are you drunk or blind? What kind of stupid question is that?
Ichie, it's not a stupid question now. Don't I have the right to ask what is going on my father's land, my land?
Whose land? How long has it been since you and your father borrowed the money for the treatment of your mother? Answer me.
3 months, sir.
And what is the maximum period in the agreement for the payment of the loan?
1 month.
And now you are saying now it is your land.
Ichie, he hasn't got into this. I know it's been over 1 month and, by right, you're supposed to take the land. Man, Ichie, you're my father's friend. Don't do this now. This is the only thing I can boast of in this world now. Biko Ichie. I will pay. Just give me some time. I promise you, I will pay. Biko.
You should have considered that before taking the loan. Well, I'm not responsible for your ill-fated life. Neither am I a charitable organization to throw a whooping 80,000 naira to the lagoon in the name of sympathy. Well, if you'll excuse me, let me conclude the bargain for the payment of the land.
Hey, Ichie, don't do this now.
What is going on?
No, there's no problem. No problem. Just make sure you get the money in time.
Okay.
No problem. He's a little boy.
Okay.
He just wants to... AGK, I have concluded with you. Go. And get... Go. The land is no longer yours. Go. Am I right?
You mean your son Etiko here wants to have my daughter's hand for Uche in marriage?
Yes, of course. My son is of age to settle down. I demanded that he should get married. So, and it happens that your daughter Uche is a ripe apple that he deserves to pluck. Yes, like mother, like daughter.
Like daughter.
I'm a nigga, so no you.
No, Uche. Let me go and call her for them.
I'm going to know somebody call her.
Drop this in.
Want to marry my daughter?
Drop it! I say leave it.
No, Bia. Want to marry my daughter?
Mama Uche, what is the meaning of this?
It means that you should stay away from my daughter. Haven't I warned you enough? You want to affect her with your poverty-stricken life? Or cause barrier to eligible suitor that want to ask her hand in marriage? You've not fed yourself very well. You want to ask my daughter's hand in marriage?
If I didn't hold you, you threw this foot on them. Take it easy now. You are so aggressive.
If they don't leave my house right now with their 4 wretched legs, I will show them the definition of aggression right now. Look at them. No, Piam.
Papa, let's go.
Hey! Ofo! Thank you very much. Thank you for the insult to your wife and you yourself have heaped on my son and me. Thank you. But you shall see me very soon.
Egbo, look at him, you're bragging.
How can they
look at them?
Yes.
Come on, shut up your mouth.
No, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Do you know what you have done to me? Do you know you slapped my face?
Go.
Come on inside. Do you know what you have done to me?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Which one is what am I doing here? Okay, might be a meeting now. Shift for me. Let me.
Oh yeah.
Boss, shift.
Which meeting? Have we not informed you that you are no longer a member of Alaoku's age grade? It is obvious that you cannot pay the financial dues involved. So, please go.
Okay, stop this thing you're saying. Stop it though. Where does it happen in this world? So open a mother who dues at a group. Where does it happen? Do that now. Without that, I will pay soon.
How long is this soon? Each time you're giving one excuse or the other. If we younger ones here can pay, why is it that you cannot pay? If we keep giving that same excuse, how are we going to get funds to run this our age group? So I will advise you that you have to go and look for something to eat, so you can feed yourself and your wretched family. Without that, I don't think you belong here.
That's all. Ejike, good advice for you. No brave man goes to the wrestle contest hungry. So it's better you leave us alone. Go!
Shema and Chibozo, you people should be very careful of what you are doing. So because he doesn't have money to pay his dues, you say he should leave.
Yes, now you should leave now.
Remember tomorrow.
I'll then pay for him now.
I think you have to join.
They are educated. Please leave us alone. Let's continue with our meeting.
Leave us, go!
Leave now. Let's go. You mind the way you talk. You'd rather go and pay for him.
Or do you want to join?
Life.
There's nothing precious about this life. Believe me. Absolutely nothing. I'm tired of suffering. The suffering is just too much. It's too much. Why did you even stop me?
Because you deserve to leave. You deserve the best, Oga. It is so unfortunate that Auntie was not patient enough. Rather, she adds more sorrow to your heart. It is so unfortunate how life has been for you. But you have to live again. You need to smile again. Remember, life gives birth to hope. Hope brings forth tenacity. And through tenacity comes success. Even if Auntie gives up on you, Oga, you should not give up on yourself. You need to rise again. You need to come above your limits, your weakness, your humiliation and affliction. That is if you have faith. Excuse me, I'm coming. Oga, it is my whole life savings. I made it from the condolence visit of my friends and relations during my father's burial. I have kept it, hoping that one day I will have a need to it to better my life. But now I see a greater need for it. A greater need to save a soul. Your soul, Oga. It is not much. Okay, it's only 55,000. But I know that at least it can help you to pay the house rent of this house or do other things. Please. You can pay me whenever you have the money. I won't ask you for it.
No, I can't take this. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. But no. I cannot take money from someone I should be giving. My own housemate, come on. No.
There are times in life when the odd becomes a norm. Do not break my heart by saying you will not collect this money. You need it. Please, take it. Okay.
Why are you doing this?
My father once taught me in life that the best success is the one that you use everything within your power to heal a wounded heart. The smiles you restore to that face is what's more than silver and gold. Oga, you are a good man. You have always been nice to me. You have taken care of all my needs and even the needs of my poor mother in the village. That is why I decided to stay here, even when we can barely feed. But I know why. Because I know that definitely one day my God will bless you because of your beautiful heart. So, Oga, please, do not reject this money. Now I have the opportunity of reciprocating this kindness which you have rendered to me. Please, take the money. Please. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I don't even know what to say. I just know that my God will bless you.
God bless you too. Just like my name Chimamanda, my God never fails. And my God will never ever let you fail. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Oga, I was going to tell you this before. I'm thinking of going back to the village. Yes, since Madam have gone, you won't be needing much help here. And my staying back here will only become a liability to you.
You actually have a point. I'll be so lonely here.
You won't be lonely. God will always be with you. Oga, I will go and make something for you. But remember, anytime you ever need my help, always call on me. I will always come around. Let me go to the market.
Come on, take some.
No, don't worry. I will squeeze out from the one I have.
Mama Cham.
Brother?
How are you, Mama and Papa?
Brother, I'm fine, no. Just that Papa has been so sick. You need to come back soon, so we'll take him to the hospital. Eh?
Why? Is it very serious?
Brother, it is so. It is.
Okay, no problem. Calm down, Calm down. I'll see what I can do. Huh?
Okay, brother. Bye-bye.
What did he say?
Mama, he said he's coming back soon. He's coming back soon.
Okay.
Don't worry, he's coming back soon.
Okay.
It's no joke. The situation is critical. Honestly. Do you know, as I speak with you, I can't even boast of 500 naira. I'm telling you, it's terrible. That's why I came to you, please. Just give me a small thing, so that when I take transport to the village, I'll still have a little remaining that I'll use for hospital bill. Not much, just small thing.
See, I understand your situation, but as it is right now, I don't have any kobo. Shishi, I don't have. If I have, I'll give you. Sorry, no? Understand me?
Boko, I know you. I know you. If you want to give me, you give me. I know you now. See where you are living. See your house. How can you tell me you don't have just small thing? I'm not even asking for more. Just
I don't have any money. Do you want me to rob the bank? If I have, I will give you. Understand me? Things are very hard. Very, very hard. Understand me?
how do I get money to make this trip? Where do I get money from, sir? I can make this trip. I was so stupid. Was it not just yesterday I took the money that Amanda gave to me? I gave to that lawyer that stopping my life, my house rent, so I can have some peace. I know that. I just kept this money. I use it to go and see my father. Oh, God.
That's 5,000 naira. The money I meant to go to the market and buy some goods, but you can have it. Considering what is involved here, your father's life is important. But please, try and pay me back.
Sorry, Joe. Joe, you are really a good friend. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. You know, Joe, it was like 3 days ago that they informed me that my father is very sick in the village. I've not been able to get you on shishi, Joe.
I wish you the best.
It's okay. Let me get home so I can change.
Alright, I'm going to call, man.
Sorry, Joe. Ama said you were that you are very, very sick, or
yeah.
She said,
but I'm here now. As you can see, I am strong.
Oh, thank God.
Actually, the sickness was very severe. Could not give me any breathing space. But later, I started getting improvement. And I said, I have to visit you to avert your tears and pains, because I know who my son is. You must have felt so bad.
In fact, I'm just coming from where I went to borrow money. Like I used to go to the village to see you. So, wait, Papa, you mean you are strong enough to...
Son, I am very strong. Huh? My reason for this visit is to avail us an opportunity to discuss some important issues of our family. That is why also I am here.
Come in.
My son, put off that phone. Switch it off. I don't like any disturbance in this our discussion. My son, the terrible situation is giving me so much concern. It has given me sleepless nights. I can no longer bear the hardship and the humiliation that you have been passing through. And because of this, I have taken some decisions. I've taken essential steps to see if I could alleviate the situation. Don't be shocked. But the solution to your problem, to your predicament, lie in my hand here. Have this. Yes. As a solution to your predicament. It is the sum of 10,000 naira there.
Okay, what for?
That is your destiny in your hands.
My destiny? 10,000 naira. Papa, please, with due respect, I don't mean to make fun, but how can you say 10,000 naira is my destiny? Do you think this is enough to solve all my problems? I have problems though.
My son, what I have come here to do is not a joke. It's not a laughing matter. Whatever I say here should be taken very seriously. You are going to use this money, invest it in any business of your own choice. And I warn, do not use any part of this money for any other thing except the business that you will invest it in. Not even to save life. Not even when I am in sick bed. Not even in my burial.
I'm starting to scare me. Because don't talk about being on a sick bed or you dying. You're not going to die. Huh? Nobody's going to die, Papa Biko. You're very important to me. You will live very long. Please, don't say it again, but Papa, I know your condition. How did you get this money?
Let us say I saved it. That where this money comes from is not of any relevance. That what matters is the purpose for which it will serve. This is why I say, do not use it for any other thing. By the time you obey all I have instructed you, very soon, you will become a very rich man.
Okay. I've heard everything you said. But I promise you I will obey. I as you have instructed. Thank you once again.
Thank you, my son. This is why I love you so much. It shall be well with you. I am blessing you again and again. No sacrifice of a father is too much for his son. One more thing. Henceforth, your name will become Uche Ofogana. You will no longer bear the Ejike.
Why?
Yes, that is a wise question from a wise son. You are wise. And the answer is that many names are associated with evil, downfall, misfortune, while others go with fortune, growth, success, good luck. Ejike Emowa has not been favorable to you, but Uche Ofogana will lead you to your destiny.
Father, I've never... This is the first time I'm hearing you sound this way. Your words are quite deep and strange to me. But you are my father. You know the best for me. I will do exactly as you have instructed.
Good. And one more thing, my son. Tomorrow, you will accompany me to the village. There are some revelations there for you.
Okay, you say so.
Yes, and yet one more thing. I want you to swear an oath that whatever we have discussed here in this my visit will remain a secret between the two of us.
I swear.
Oh, you didn't know? That's why I love you so much. It shall be well with you again. Thank you.
Papa, why are you stopping? We're supposed to be going home.
I remember something that is very important and needs urgent attention.
Okay.
Let me rush and collect my money from Ojukwu for the pan when I supplied him before my ailment, lest he travels to Atani, as he told me yesterday.
Now, can't it wait? Let's get home first. I can go and get it for you.
Son, I must hurry. It is something I cannot risk. I will join you at home soon.
Okay, if you say so.
One thing more, my son. There is something very important. Lest I forget, let me give it to you now and here. Take it. Just take it. Take it, my son.
Papa.
My son.
What is this? What is it for?
That is a symbol of greatness, long life and protection.
This thing?
Yes. I secured it from a great source. Keep it with you wherever you are going to live as a home. And do not allow it leave your household for any reason. If it does, regret shall be the aftermath. So be warned.
Papa, you started sounding strange again, just like you did yesterday when you came. What? I've never known you to be a superstitious person. Papa, what is this for?
Son, situation calls for this. Situation calls for this. Like I told you, this statue is not an ordinary one. It's not. It will herald your future. More as a demigod to you. So don't joke with it. Like you would not like to joke with your father. Have I ever disappointed you?
Never.
Good. So you should show more obedience to your father in return.
Oh, okay, Papa. But at least we can discuss it more when you come back from Uchukwu's place.
If fate wills.
How do you mean?
My son, can't your father joke with you? Now remember, if fate permits it all, even our last breath.
That's true. That's true, Papa.
Good. Son, see you.
Okay, Papa. Well, Papa, wait. I can help you with your bag. Let me keep it at home.
No, son. I can carry it. At least I will put in something that I will get from where I'm going to into it. Yes.
Okay. No problem.
Yes. One thing. My son. For the last time, never allow anybody to hear all the things we have discussed recently. Am I clear? Good. You are blessed.
Go well.
Take care, my son.
I'll be expecting you at home.
Educate my son. The person that visited you is not your real father. It is his spirit. Maybe he came to convey a very important message to you. There had been a similar incident in the past, especially when the person in question is attached to the disease.
I still don't believe this. He was so real. He was so real. Like he even
what?
Never mind.
Well, now that you have cleared your doubt, I suggest that we call our kinsman tomorrow and fix a date for his burial.
No, not yet. No burial yet. Let my father's corpse remain in the mortuary for now. The money our kingsmen contributed, we'll use it to, be paying the mortuary bills. Let him be there while I go back to the city and also. For now.
We may incur more debts from that mortuary that we will not be able to afford. I would have suggested we bury him, but you have the final say. It's okay with me. That's what you decided. Mama Ejike. People should take heart. It's one of those things in life. There's a Latin word we use to console ourselves. It says, homunibus est morandum. All living things must die. I'll see you people tomorrow.
Like I said before, I will be leaving tomorrow. I want both of you to be strong. Papa is gone, but life continues. Please, be strong, even when I'm not here.
I have heard you, my son. My son, as for me, I want my husband's corpse to be buried, as our kinsmen wanted. But since you insisted that we should hold on, what more can I say? You are now the head of the family. Your decision stands. Yes.
Let it remain that way.
Uche. Okay, about what we discussed. You see, this business is still very lucrative, as it was before you left it. Okay. But it's quite unfortunate that you don't have enough capital to start up again. As a friend, I suggest you start buying in gallons and reselling. With that, God being by your side, you make a headway from there.
All right. Thank you very much for your advice. You said you were going to show me a place I can stay and start off from there.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Can you show me now?
Okay. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Let me start. point of correction, Uncle. My name right now is Ojofogana.
Yeah. I'm sorry, my son. Ojofogana.
Carry on.
But you know, it has been almost 3 months now that your father Ibudu remains still in the mortuary. And from the look of things, you are not doing better financially. Don't you think it's time we give him a befitting burial?
Son.
Papa.
Promise you are going to give me a befitting burial when I die as my last mortal honor. As for the money, you are going to have more than enough.
I promise. Uncle, you have a point. Yes, and like you rightly put it, things are getting better. Huh? You can see.
I can see. I can see.
But it's not yet time to bury my father. No. No doubt things are getting better, but I want to do more business. Let me work more and make more money. I want things to get even much better. Huh? So that I can give my father the kind of burial I want to give to him. A befitting burial. Huh? My father, okay? No.
Well, I agree with you, my son. That's a good idea. This money, the money is all over you. Well,
onye kpata ego sikwa eli ugwu.
I am not quite a good.
Ọkụ adọrọ m shọn ị
all of this.
Spend it.
Hey!
That supply to Rostick Limited, they must get it today. Okay, huh? Don't forget, okay. Rostick Limited, they get their supply today. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm going for a meeting at our other branch up along this road.
Okay, sir.
Yes, I'm supposed to have Waziko and Sons. Okay. They'll be coming here to see me. The moment they get here, call me on the phone. Okay, don't forget, okay, Waziko sir. And Sons. Any other person that comes, I'm not around. Okay, let them come tomorrow.
Uncle. I have never seen a burial list like this. This is outrageous. What are you doing with 5 cows, 5 cooling vans, plenty of buffet, even 10 million naira casket? As far as I'm concerned, this is a total waste of money.
Uncle, huh? If onye nwele ego, onye batele ego, uncle, this is my money. Huh? Stop talking to me like this. It's my money. Allow me to spend it. It's not yours. In this village, I was insulted in life and even in this our village because I didn't have money. Now that I have it, allow me to spend it the way I want to spend it. Uncle, leave me alone. Besides, my father was a good man. Okay? Forget the fact that he died a pauper. You know, my father was a good man. Alright? Everybody knows that. So allow me to give him a befitting burial. The kind of burial that he deserves. Why my father of man? Don't worry about money. Even if I buy a casket for 20 million, 50 million, even 100 million, don't use my father there. It's not a problem. My father deserves it. Only na OJ oil and gas. In fact, you know my plan. Tomorrow I'm going to see the Igwe. I want to tell him to give my father a title. My late father. Senior title. And that title is Akanemego 1 Nini of Aluku village. And I know he'll do it.
Hey, Ojofogana, it is unheard of in our culture giving the corpse a title.
Don't worry, Uncle. Wait till I see the Igwe tomorrow. Igwe, I want you to honor my father with the title of Akanemego I.
Son, what you're asking for is so difficult for me because I don't know how to grant it because it's never done in our land. So I think you go and think over that matter because it has never done in our land. It's against our tradition indeed. So go and think over it.
Igwe, I actually moved around and I asked questions. And I know that what I'm asking for, it's not done in our land. It's against our tradition. But it is done in other lands, in other communities. So because it's done there, I believe it can also be done here. Igwe, I want my father to be given a title. I want him to be honored in death. And I believe that this will facilitate my request. Igwe, this is for you.
You see, it's been done in other places. But how do we start it now? At this time?
Igwe, I'll add this one.
You see, if I have my way, I would have done something about this. But what can I do? No.
Igwe, I want you to have your way now. This is the third one.
I will make some consultation with my elders and see if it is possible.
Consult your elders now, Igwe. This one is for you.
My son, you are the lostest son of Aluku Kingdom. You see, in fact, let me tell you, you are the pride of this community. Let me assure you right here that your request is granted. It's granted now. And we will do everything to decorate his insignia with the title.
Ejike!
Ejike! Wait, am I seeing clearly? Ejike! Hey! Ejike, you now own this car. Hey!
Ejike! Point of correction. Agbego Nkiti, one of Aluku. Or OJ Oil and Gas.
No, Agbego Nkiti one. Hey! Agbego Nkiti one. Agbego Nkiti one. Hey!
Una forget now. Remember when you were chasing me out from the meeting?
Hey, your boy.
Okay, Charlie, get away, my friend. You remember when you were chasing me out from the meeting? Chetego, see how life can be.
It's
okay. Still set to you.
Hey!
You got brongo womas. Hey! Oh, yeah, where you go see me again? See quietly.
Hey!
You.
Hey! All this for me.
Hey!
Agbego Nkiti one. Agbego Nkiti one.
Hey! This is common. Hey, God, thank you.
Can you imagine that Ejike now calls us his boys?
Are we not? We are his boys, of course. Wait, you know how long we have been suffering, struggling just to raise up 5,000 naira for the New Year festival that is coming up. And here we are with this kind of money, 10,000 naira each. I beg you, courtesy of Ejike, that same Ejike that could not afford to pay his meeting dues. Hey! See, me I left for me, Chima. Even if he calls me a dog, I will gladly respond in as much as is in my hand. Hey! Ego na achi. Money, they say, rules the world. Hey! Cool money.
Blood money. This is blood money.
Blood or water, money is money. Chima, money works with the blood. Money works with blood. Okay? Ah!
Don't pretend as if you have not heard that he used his late father for money rituals.
Come on, for Ta! That is rumor. That is rumor. How will you be believing all those things?
It's not. Just few months after his late father's death, Nina cruises with the latest car and throws money around like pepper. And yet he said this rumor.
Oh, rumor, now. See. What I want to tell you is that it is not my business. Whatever he wants to do. Even if you like, let him go and use his sister for money ritual. It is not of my business. I don't care. See, I don't believe in all this cock and bull story that people go about saying. All I believe in is talk and do. And AGK is a good example of talk and do type. Hi! Chai! If I book ego igwe. Hi! God, please make me have this kind of money, please, so that I'll be able to enjoy in this life that I've come.
Come on, stand up, stand up! What is wrong with you? Are you now blind that you cannot see any longer? Huh?
Are you not happy that I have this kind of money? Ha!
Chibozo! 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 How many times did I call you?
You call me 3 times. 3 times.
Don't soil your hands because of money. Because all that glitters is not diamond or gold.
Mr. Preacher, are you done preaching? Are you done with your sermons? So now, Chima, can we go? Can we go? Okay, let's go and... You remember that Wanyimbadas joint? Let us go there. This is money. This is money. Then Karapuzia Mata for Matthias. What I go?
I was thinking when you look at them,
tell the I'm not happy with him at all. Huh? When he told me about that thing, he said it would take about 2 weeks. Now it's over a month. It's taking too long, and that's about the best room in this hotel. I don't like it. Tell him to hurry up with it. Okay. I'm giving him 1 week. 1 week he should be done with the construction. Okay? All right. See you guys. Bye.
If a teacher digonu, ego yibo, ekamuna so yibo, icholino hungry.
Nelly.
Sophia.
Hello.
I do. Baby, How did runs be last night now? Hope the guy dropped well for my side though.
Hi, you too. You too like Roger. But no worry, I go say to you. I beg no vessel. Hope that guy will just come out now.
The one on red?
Yes.
Now our new Oga, we just buy this place for our former Oga. I just pray say no go sack us, replace us with new staff.
What? This is unbelievable. How can Etiko become so rich overnight to own a hotel? God, why was I not patient? No, this is all a mystery.
Sophia. Any problem?
I will see you later.
Thank you.
Hey! Odogo!
Ejikeme. Is this you?
Omega Brongongo Mas.
Hey!
How are you? How have you been? What of everybody at home?
They are okay. Because we are managing.
And Amanda.
Oh, she went to the market and will soon be back.
No problem, I'll wait.
Hi! Ejikeme! Hey! Oh, there she comes. Hey! Okay, Chike!
Amanda!
Okay, Chike! Is this you? Is this your car? Okay, Chike, welcome.
Amanda.
I can see that. Hi.
How have you been?
I'm fine, no. I don't need to ask you. You're looking very good. Hey. No, no public food.
Ejikeme. Hey.
Please, let's go inside. You're welcome. Hey. Hey. Come here.
My dear, that's exactly how it happened. Just like that. Strictly God's grace upon me. Not by my power.
I told you, didn't I? I knew you would make it.
You said it too.
Thank God for your life.
Thank God for us. Okay, I'll have to leave you now. I want to go supervise one of my projects going on here in the village. Then I'll be going back to the city.
That was very nice, though. Hey, Oga, what about Auntie Sophia? Have you been able to see her?
Please, don't mention that name here again. It's bad news. It may be not my mood.
No, I'm sorry, sir.
And don't call me sir, huh? Bom Oje. Oje is just fine.
Okay.
Call me Oje.
Oje.
Yes, I've not forgotten what you did for me then. I almost killed myself. You gave me 55,000 naira.
Oh God, it's okay, it's from my heart.
This is 200,000 naira. Take. Yes, for your upkeep.
Oh God, this is too much for upkeep now. The money is too much.
It's not too much. For your upkeep, take. It's not too much, honestly. Considering what you did for me. It's not too much. Now I can afford it. Huh? And this is Pekka. This is small. Wait till you tap into my well of money.
You're embarrassing me with money.
Amanda. If we go. Ega brongo mas. Onye nwe ego se kwa elu. Onye nwe ego si megini.
Oga, I'm so grateful. My mother will be very happy.
Let me leave you now.
Thank you. Safe journey.
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye. fine.
I brought you here to tell you something. Ega brongo mas. Onye nwe ego si megini.
Ti akwanyeli awu.
I brought you here, not just for you to enjoy this meal or the wine, and also not just for you to spend time with me, but because I want to ask you for a favor.
What's that?
Will you marry me?
Sir?
I want Biko. Don't say no.
What about your wife? Sophia, my mistress.
I do not have a wife anymore. I mean, you were there when she left. She belongs to my past now.
Your past?
Yes.
Is there a future without a past?
Well, sometimes you just have to let go of the past so you can move on with your future. And that's exactly what I intend to do with you. I want to make a future with you. Remember you once told me that the smile you put on the face of a man with a wounded heart is worth more than silver and gold. Remember?
Yes.
You've brought so much smile to my face, and you have healed my wounded heart. Believe me, I do not want to go back to my days of misery and anguish. So, if you accept my proposal, just say yes and make me happy forever.
Please, sir. Let me think about it.
Yes. I see. Now you can see clearly. Why not train to his house? I'm begging for you to come back as his wife. I'm not going anywhere.
Papa, he's no longer in that house. And I'm sure he's still very angry with me for what happened.
No, Biko. She's our daughter and she needs some help. It was a Ebele one now. If you don't make I rapia so
like mother, like daughter. Why not you go as a mother and so sit on her behalf? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not!
Hey! Papa, you must go! You must go! As the head of the family, you must go, Papa, you must go!
Yes. Yeah. Now I'm making you the head. Where I'm detained. I'm not complaining. You go, both of you and your mother, both of you. Go and beg him. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going, Uche. I'm not going!
Now, if you imagine what you're doing is not good. This is our daughter that needs help. Let us support her. Ijo? It's okay, we'll come around.
I'm not going there.
we, your kinsmen, called you here for something very important. There is a mystery that have clouded our mortal comprehension, and we want you to help us resolve it. What I'm saying is that we all here know the hardship you were having before the death of your father. That is why we went an extra mile to contribute money to assist you for his burial immediately after his death. Is that not? Come on, man. But you decided he should be kept in the mortuary for a while, and we agreed with you. But just a few months later, you came back to this village, buying lands, erecting structures, even took a chieftaincy title for yourself. Here, this is enough to raise eyebrow, and we here are not exempted. We are here to ask you, did you use our brother, your father, for money ritual?
Is this why you people called me here?
Yes.
I mean, how can you even think of such a thing? That I used my father, my own father, to do money rituals? Konyang Diego? Huh? For who to enjoy the money with? How can you think of such a thing?
But my son, can you prove it?
How do you want me to prove it? Huh?
You are a son of the soil, and we have tradition here. There is a traditional way to resolve this matter. To clear yourself from all suspicion of people of Anuku and prove your innocence, you must take an oath before Ogugu, the chief priest.
An oath? Me?
Oh yes, an oath. To prove your innocence and avoid accusing fingers pointing at you, swear to an oath.
Ọkwa na onye akpọ na-ega na-ama na ọnwa ama ogwugwu dị egbu mma. Onye akpọ na-ega ọkwa na onye akpọ na-ega na-ama na ọnwa ama ogwugwu dị ama ube. Onye akpọ na-ega ọkwa na onye akpọ na-ega na-ama na ọnwa ama ogwugwu dị agba egbe. Onye akpọ na-ega ọkwa na onye akpọ na-ega na-ama na ọnwa ama ogwugwu dị egbu mma. Onye akpọ na-ega onye akpọ na-ega ọkwa na onye akpọ na-ega na-ama na ọnwa ama ogwugwu dị egbu mma. Son of Ibudu, this is the circle of justice. Step into it to prove your innocence. Onye bana gwagwa kena odo na agwa obodo mulumu. Agụpụta mgbada wala ọsọ. Oke mmanwụ pụta obodo awala ọsọ. Ogbugbu ji mpala n'aka. Ogbugbu mee ngwa pụta ibe ka itinyela enu aka. Obodo agbakwa n'ọsọ. Moment of revelation. The son of Ibudu. This is the calabash of justice. If you are guilty, Ogugu will strike you with madness, and this calabash will turn upside down. But if you are innocent, the content of this calabash will turn crystal white, and you will be free. Ogugwide! Ogugwide! He is innocent. He is innocent. He is innocent. Obodo anyị anya kome uwa obodo anyị anya kome uwa ogwugwu si obodo anyị anya kome uya kwa maka echi obodo anyị anya ka kome uwa hazi obodo anyị anya ka kome uwa ogwugwu si obodo anyị anya ka kome uya kwa maka echi
Igwe, our tradition demands a brief stopover of the corpse at his home, and that's exactly what we have done. With your permission, Igwe, may we now proceed to the main house, where I built a befitting mansion for my father. There he will be buried, and his title will be given to him.
Well, illustrious son of Aluko, you have done your best. Let us now proceed as you have demanded.
Thank you, Igwe.
Egomuna
oil and gas speaking. Abwego Nkiti, one of Haluku. Oh, Uche. Yes, I'm fine. How are you, Uche? And your family? Okay. I hope there's no problem. Okay, no problem. Yes, if you want to see me, I'll send you my current residential address. You can come and see me. I'll send it right away through text, SMS. Oh, all right. Sure. Okay, no problem. I'll be expecting you.
John! Yes, Chief. Come in. Make sure you pack those cements well. Chief, you're here, sir.
John.
Welcome, sir.
How's it going?
Fabulous, Chief, fabulous. In fact, I was thinking Mr. Maxwell building I finished the other day was the fastest. But with what you're doing here, Chief, you are the best. You are the best.
Of course I'll be the best now, John.
Checheo, Ponyisi. I greet you, sir. Hey! Only me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
It's okay. I'll see you later on. Back to what I was saying.
But, sir, this is not the reason why I came to see you. Yes, sir.
No problem. You can wait for me by the corner. When I finish, I'll see you.
Hey! Onyisi. Thank you, sir. Educate my brother. Please help me.
Get up. Don't kneel before your fellow man. Talk to me like a man. Come on.
Ejike, I am really tired of roaming about in this village, doing menial jobs that cannot even feed me properly. Please see, I'm ever ready to do whatever it takes to make money. I am desperate to be rich. See, I know that money comes with blood, and I'm ever ready for anything. I mean, when I say anything it takes, it will be a secret between me and you. It will be a sacred oath.
I like your spirit. I like your courage. If I will be a Ego, I will help you.
Thank you, sir.
Believe me.
Thank you, Ejike. I'm really grateful.
I will show you the secret. My secret to success. Yes. I will help you. Close your eyes.
I should close my eyes.
Yeah. Close your eyes. Raise your hands very high to the sky. Raise your hands. And pray to the Almighty God.
Ejike, I don't understand.
I know you will not understand. What I just told you now is exactly what I do. This is what I do every day. This is the secret, my secret to success. You see, I started my business with very little money, small money. And within a short period of time, I grew. That is because God is with me. I mean, look at the filling station I'm building here. It's not any other thing. It is God. I believe in the Almighty God. And trust me, if you do the same thing, you too will grow.
Ejike, I did not come here for all these morals. I came here for you to help me.
I know what you're thinking. And it's the same thing that many youths in our country think. You think that once you see a rich man living well, driving big cars, building houses, and he's a ritualist. One night, I was blessed by God. I believe in God, I work hard, and I trust in Him. And He has blessed me. Do the same thing. You see what I told you? This is my secret. Follow it very well. Pray to God every day. Believe in Him, and He will bless you. Finally. I got a bongo mass one. If we ain't Diego. See you later. Yeah, come in. Aha, come. How are you?
Fine, sir. You get some people wait outside. They say they want to see you.
Okay. Who are the people?
You say name Nanayo.
Nanayo. Oh, Uche. Okay, let him in.
Okay. Yeah.
Ah,
my son.
Uche. Good day, sir.
Good day, my son.
You're welcome, sir.
Mm-hmm.
You're welcome.
All right,
sir. No problem at all, sir. No problem.
Thank you.
All right.
Good day, darling.
Uche, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, my son.
Hey, you're welcome. Yes, Uche. I hope it was not difficult locating my place.
Oh, not at all, my son, not at all. I must confess, my son, this is a paradise of that you have here.
Thank you very much, Che. It's actually the Lord's doing. Let me get you something to drink, some refreshment.
No, not now. We must have finished, my son. Yes. Well, my son, I came in respect of what is custom for. You see, our people say that the toe does not move around in the sunlight in vain. It is about something that has been of great concern to me. It is about my daughter here, who abandoned you in the past against my approval. I've come to apologize on her behalf. She has regretted all her actions and all the wrongs she has done against you. And she has asked me to solicit on her behalf. My son, I know how you feel, like any other young man in your shoes, about the emotional betrayal. Please, my son, in the name of God, forgive her and accept her back as your wife, please.
Okay, well, Uche, I've heard you. But it's actually too late.
Too late? You still not have forgiven her?
Oh, I've forgiven her. Believe me. Totally, I've forgiven her. But like I said, Uche, it's too late. Excuse me. Darling!
Baby!
Hi. Mommy! Please come.
We have visitors. Good day.
Welcome, my daughter.
What?
Uche, meet my new wife, Amanda.
Good day, sir.
Welcome, my daughter.
Never! My housemaid?
Hey. Point of correction. My lovely wife, Amanda.
My son, it is late indeed, except you are ready for polygamy.
Can't take a second wife.
Father! What are you saying? Do you realize that she's my maid, my housemaid?
Excuse me. Was. Not anymore.
Will you shut your mouth? You gutter pig! Someone I picked from the slum!
Hey. Watch your tongue. Do not insult my wife. I will not take it. Cheer. Biko, tell her.
Watch the way you talk to me. Watch your words.
I should have known. You've always had eyes for her behind my back.
And I bet you she is a more loving, caring and virtuous woman. More than you put together in a million folds. And of course, did I force her?
No, you didn't. I'm sorry, Sophia. Whatever happened to you was your fault.
Etiko. Please. I'm sorry. Please don't humiliate me before the world. Please. Ejike, please.
I'm actually done with this conversation. Uche, because I know you must have come from a very far place. My wife made very good soup. Pounded yam. Let's give you something to eat. By the time you're done, I have drinks.
My son, I think I must be going.
Uche.
You know, my journey is still very far.
Okay.
Let's go. If you don't want to go, I'm leaving you behind to embarrass yourself.
Mwaniche.
Ejike, please. Baby, please, let's go upstairs.
Should I call Okon to throw her out?
Let her be. She'll go by herself.
Excuse me. After you.
Please.
Ego muna suoyibo. Onye mwegaza. Onye bategoza. Onye batego shikwanyere ukwe nugonu. Ojo fogeje, ojo fogana. Onye batego shikwanyere ukwe nugonu. Danye mano diramfeo. Danye ne yusibenyo. Enyilingi mau. Danye sino diramfeo. Danye mekili. Enyilingi mau. Akambukwa katokulya manambue. Akambukwa matakilya inachunambue. Ife dicha digonu. Ego yibo. Ego muna suoyibo. Ino ngribu. Okay, megananya. Una hugo wasiadie. Una hugo wasiadie. Una hugo wasiadie.
Baby. Baby, you can't keep doing this to yourself. Huh? You can't keep doing this to yourself. You don't sleep. Every minute you're worrying, you're crying. Come on, do you want to kill me? You want to kill yourself?
Is it not better I'm dead? Not living each day with agony, tears, humiliation of barrenness. Baby, you don't know how it hurts. You don't know how it hurts to see my fellow women carry their own children with the affection of a mother. You don't know. While I can't even conceive for 4 good years, I can't even make you a man. I am tired. I am tired of the mockery. I am tired of the misfortune. I am tired of the insult I get from my fellow women about my infertility. I am tired. I am tired.
Please don't cry. Please don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay. Calm down. Calm down. Look, I understand the way you feel. Okay? I understand the way you feel, but God gives children, and He gives children at His own appointed time. We can't force children out from Him. It's not possible. Right?
When?
What we need is time and patience. Right? Patience. We're going to have children. There's nothing wrong with us medically. We just have to be patient. Okay? Huh? It's okay. Okay. Calm down. I have a suggestion. I believe we're still going to have children, okay? At God's own time. But while we wait, can we adopt?
Adopt?
So I will recommend for you a month-old child picked by the roadside by an unknown person.
Sorry, I don't need an infant child. Taking care of her will break my emotions. Yes, I need a child of about 4 to 5 years.
In that case, we have a girl of 4 to 5 years old, though she's new, but very lovely and so special for you to have.
I would love to see her.
Okay, we'll get her for you.
Thank you.
Ego muna suoyibo Okonye mwegoza nanya Ngwongwo Okonye bategoza nanya Ngwongwo Okonye batego shikwanyere ukwenugonu Ngwongwo Ojo fogeje, ojo fogana Okonye batego shikwanyere ukwenugonu Ngwongwo Yanyi mano nilamfeo Yanyi neyosimenyo Enyilingi mao Ngwongwo Yanyi asino nilamfeo Yanyi mekili Enyilingi mao Ngwongwo Akambukwa katokuli ni manambue Akambukwa matakili na chunambue Ife dicha digonu Ego yibo Ego muna suo yibo Inu ngribu Oge megenanya Unahugo Wasiadie
Father, help me. Help me.
Son, why did you destroy the statue I gave to you? Why?
Father, help me. Help me. Help me. This nightmare again. This nightmare again. How many times? Same nightmare. Amanda! Amanda!
Hey, hon, you're set.
Yes, Did you remove anything from there? Your wardrobe, top of wardrobe?
Of course, honey. I did a thorough cleanup last week, and I got rid of some irrelevant stuff.
Irrelevant stuff? I'm actually looking for something like an artwork, kind of.
Like a crocodile.
Yes, where is it?
It was amongst the trash I burnt.
Burnt? Hey!
But it's just an ordinary artwork.
It's not just a statue. It's a beautiful artwork, piece of art, you know. My friend gave to me as a gift. Beautiful artwork.
I'm sorry. I know you still need it.
Never mind. Well, I'm leaving for work.
Your coffee and breakfast.
I don't need it. Why did you touch that?
It's unusual.
You are in the temple of Orobara. The mystery you see around you is what you are part of.
Fear not, my son.
Father!
Listen very carefully. I initiated you into this brotherhood shortly before my death.
Father.
It is behind your sudden and amazing wealth, which you paid nothing for, except for your unborn children. That is why your wife will remain barren.
Father.
The statue I gave to you before my death is a symbol of your secret initiation, which you defiled the oath of allegiance because your new wife burnt it, and Oriobara became provoked, and as such, an atonement must be made to appease Oriobara.
Father, who is Oriobara? Father.
He is gone to the land of his ancestors. You must now face your fate. The blood of your wife is the only worthy sacrifice, for she violated the sacred oath. You have to kill her yourself. This is your own prize. The due process of the rituals. You have no choice here. Whatever Oriobara wants, he gets. Return and do as I have commanded. You have 12 days. You have 3 days left. 3 days.
Please now. Please, I'm begging you. I know nothing about this thing. I didn't beg you to put me in any... Leave me alone now, please.
You belong to me.
Hi. Please,
Who are you talking to?
Nobody. I was talking to myself.
Really?
Really. Sit down. Are you done with your cookies?
Yes.
Okay, good. Stay with me.
So, you mean you've been going through all this in silence since? Well, do you not believe when I told you that this world is full of mystery? That only men with supernatural and potential powers can conquer. It is not enough for you to amass wealth. You need power. Power to protect yourself and your wealth. Anyway, since you're now beginning to reason like a man, no more a boy, I will show you the way. Yeah, I will help you. I will take you away from your present predicament.
One day, Pico, I beg you. Any way you can help me, help me. I know nothing about this thing. Whatever you can do, just start now.
Not to worry. Now you will know why they call me Utu Mabrain, the nail that nailed the cow. Shut up, huh? Shut up. Everything will be fine. Don't worry.
You have successfully passed the final phase of your initiation. Welcome to the brotherhood of power and affluence, where young men dine with the spirit of ancestors, where young minds communicate with immortals. You are untouchable. Fear not. For no evil can befall you or any member of your family, especially your wife, like you feel. Take this. It is the oil of protection. You will sprinkle it the whole of your house. Do this at midnight, that no harm meant by any man against you can affect you. Oboli will be with you.
Thank you, great one. Thank you.
Though our protection comes with a price, you shall live 5 more of your years. The rest of your life shall go to Oboli.
Huh?
Oboli had spoken.
Quite a windy day.
Yeah.
It's unusual.
Sweetie, take more egg. Okay?
Want some more?
I'm okay. Okay.
All right. I have to run along now.
All right. Have a swell day.
There is.
Bye. Bye, Daddy.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing. The snake.
Snake?
A big snake. It was just somewhere around there.
Okay, where the snake they make a killer?
I don't know. It disappeared. Check. Just go behind the house. Check. Big snake.
Really?
Huh. But it's nothing. I'm fine. Okay? You go back to your post. Go and stay there. There's nothing to worry about. I'm fine, huh? It's nothing. I'm fine.
Obviously.
You should go now. I thought I've had people WhatsApp. Stop wanting me now, please. Go.
Words from the great Oriobara. You will know no peace until you obey my command.
Disobedience to Oriobara is of grave consequence. You have been warned.
Just go, please. Okay, you have warned me. Just tell Oriobara to leave me. I did not put myself in this thing. I didn't beg him to leave me now. Go, leave me. Don't abandon these people once and you should leave me alone now. Leave me. Just leave me now, eh? Yeah!
What is it? I overheard you talking to yourself. Did the mysterious snake visit again?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Really?
I said I'm fine. I have this, there's this, issue I have with somebody, you know. But I took a land that belongs to me, so I'm preparing how I'm going to talk to him tomorrow. I'm fine. It's okay.
Yeah.
How much did he pay him? 200 million? No, he's supposed to pay him 220 million. Oh. Okay, we'll pay the 20 million tomorrow. Okay. That's not like you being my account manager. OJ, my man.
Okay, I was not your man. I was not your man, my friend. I'm not your man. Your man. Okay, man. That place you took me to is rubbish. Total rubbish. These people are still disturbing me. Shouting. Do you know what it means to give your life? I accepted to give the few years of my to live only for a few years. I give the rest of my life to you people and that's your stupid temple, so I can protect my wife, my one that I love. I did. You know what it means? Stop letting me calm down. These people are still disturbing me. I can't sleep.
Okay, I've got you. Shout.
Let me shout. Let them hear.
This is a public place. Don't shout it. But are you sure you followed the instruction as Oboli directed?
Okay, I followed everything the way that your stupid Oboli or whatever told me. I followed everything. I sprinkled that thing all around my house. I even sprayed it on my body, remaining for me to drink it. I did all these things calmly. I was happy. In the morning, I woke up again. I saw people die. The next thing I saw those two old men. I cannot sleep.
It's okay. You shouted. You know what? I think we have to go and consult Oboli again.
Let us consult him now. Now! You will not run away. Now! Let's consult him now. Okay, Baba. Come, let's go and consult the judge. Okay, now.
Do not be afraid. For nothing is impossible with Oboli. Since Oliobala had remained stubborn, I shall destroy him.
Destroy him, please. Destroy him. How dare you challenge the great Oriobala?
How dare you trouble one of my own? You shall flee from him or face my destruction right now.
You stubborn mortal! You are no match for Oriobala! You must die!
You die first!
Pastor, it is becoming very terrible. He does not only scream the house down strangely, he also behaves like someone that is mentally derailed. It is worse day by day. I am so confused. I don't even know what to do. Please help me.
It's okay, Sister Chimamanda. Just calm down. Nothing is impossible before God. With God, all things are possible. He's the Father that neither sleep nor slumber when his children call on him. There is something Isaiah told us in Isaiah 49:24 to 25. Verse 24 says, shall the prey be taken from the mighty, or the lawful captive delivered? In verse 25 says, but thus said the Lord, even the captives of the mighty shall be taken away, and the prey of the terrible shall be delivered. The Lord will surely deliver your husband.
Amen.
There is nothing the enemy is going to do to you, but there is something I want you to do. Confront him when you get home about it. Okay. I have a strong belief that he will open up to you if truly he loves you. After that, now will be the next step to take.
Okay. I will do as you have directed, Pastor. Thank you very much. Okay. Baby. I need to discuss something with you.
Okay, what's it?
You are my husband. And we've been married for years now. We have shared both joy, love, victory, and even the deepest secrets together. But I'm afraid something is taking a different dimension right now. And I need to know what is going on.
What do you mean?
Something is haunting you deep inside. You don't want to tell me.
I still don't understand what you're saying. Something like what?
You don't understand. You don't understand the sudden strange behavior. The incessant scream. You don't understand the talking aloud when you were alone. Like someone hallucinating. The flimsy excuses you give me each time I ask you could make every reasonable human being to raise an eyebrow.
So, what's your point now? Huh? What's your point? Are you trying to say that you're suspecting me that I'm diabolic? Is that the point?
Baby, I can never suspect you. My husband is not diabolic. All I'm asking you is to open up to me. Tell me the truth so that we could break this yoke of the devil together like we've always done. Please, honey. I need to come in and share your grief with you. You need to tell me the truth. Look at you. It's written all over you. You can't even hide it. I have not been myself lately. I need to know what's going on with my husband. I need to know. If you truly love me like you've always said, why do you allow me to hurt like this? Why won't you tell me the truth? Why?
Before my father died, he came to me and he gave me some money, a little money. He told me to invest it in any business of my choice. Okay? Small money, so I started this kerosene business, hoping to raise a little money from there so I can, bury him. Before I knew it, the money grew into millions. I was so overwhelmed by my sudden wealth. I never really suspected anything until recently. after the constant dreams and nightmares, something mysterious took place. Amanda!
Hey, hon, you're set.
Yes. Did you remove anything from there? Your wardrobe, top of wardrobe?
Of course, honey. I did a thorough cleanup last week, and I got rid of some irrelevant stuff.
Irrelevant stuff? I'm actually looking for something like an artwork, kind of.
Like a crocodile?
Yes. Where is it?
It was amongst the trash I burnt.
Burnt? Hey!
But it's just an ordinary artwork.
It's not just a statue. It's a beautiful artwork, piece of art, you know. My friend gave to me as a gift. Beautiful art.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you still need it.
Never mind. Well, I'm leaving for work.
Your coffee and breakfast?
I don't need it. Why did you touch that?
It's unusual.
That was why I was so curious about that strange statue. Because it was my father's last gift to me on that very day we met before his death.
Papa, why are you stopping? We're supposed to be going home.
I remember something that is very important and needs urgent attention.
Okay.
Let me rush and collect my money from Ojukwu for the pan I supplied him before my ailment, lest he travels to Atani, as he told me yesterday.
Now, can't it wait? Let's get home first. I can go and get it for you.
Son, I must hurry. It is something I cannot risk. I will join you at home soon.
Okay, if you say so.
One thing more, my son. There is something very important. Lest I forget, let me give it to you now and here. Take it. Just take it. Take it, my son.
Papa.
My son.
What is this? What is it for?
That is a symbol of greatness, long life and protection.
This thing?
Yes. I secured it from a great source. Keep it with you wherever you are going to live as a home. And do not allow it leave your household for any reason. If it does, regret shall be the aftermath. So be warned.
Papa, you started sounding strange again, just like you did yesterday when you came. What? I've never known you to be a superstitious person. Papa, what is this for?
Son, situation calls for this. Situation calls for this. Like I told you, this statue is not an ordinary one. It's not. It will herald your future. More as a demigod to you. So don't joke with it. Like you would not like to joke with your father. Have I ever disappointed you?
Never.
Good. So you should show more obedience to your father in return.
Oh, okay, Papa. But at least we can discuss it more when you come back from Nwachukwu.
Ah, if fate wills.
How do you mean?
My son, can't your father joke with you? Now remember, if fate permits it all, even our last breath.
That's true. That's true, Papa.
Good. Son, see you.
Okay, Papa. Well, Papa, wait. I can help you with your bag. Let me keep it at home.
No, son. I can carry it. At least I will put in something that I will get from where I'm going to into it. Yes.
Okay. No problem.
Yes. One thing. My son. For the last time, never allow anybody to hear all the things we have discussed recently. Am I clear? Good. You are blessed.
Go well.
Take care, my son.
I'll be expecting you at home.
My father!
Why are you crying?
Baba has
Etiko, my son, you're welcome.
What?
Iroko has fallen.
Which Iroko?
We lost your father yesterday.
Eh? My father? The whole thing was also strange to me. Poor me, innocent me. I never paused for a critical reflection until that fateful night. Jesus! Hey, please, who are you people? Don't hurt me, because, please.
You have a call to heed tonight. Come with us, and your fears and curiosity will be unraveled tonight.
Please. Who are you people? Who are you people? Where am I?
You are in the temple of Olobara. The mystery you see around you is what you are part of.
Fear not, my son.
Father!
Listen very carefully. I initiated you into this brotherhood shortly before my death.
Father.
It is behind your sudden and amazing wealth, which you paid nothing for, except for your unborn children. That is why your wife will remain barren.
Father.
The statue I gave to you before my death is a symbol of your secret initiation, which you defiled the oath of allegiance because your new wife burnt it, and Oriobara became provoked, and as such, an atonement must be made to appease Oriobara.
Father, who is Oriobara? Father.
He is gone to the land of his ancestors. You must now face your fate. The blood of your wife is the only one is sacrificed, for she violated the sacred oath. You have to kill her yourself. This is your own price. The due process of the rituals. You have no choice here. Whatever Oluoba wants, he gets. Return and do as I have commanded. You have 12 days.
Exactly what you heard. They asked me to kill you. I couldn't. I've not been able to do it. I just couldn't imagine myself taking the life of the woman I love. I kept on rejecting them. And they've been haunting me ever since, till this very day.
Okay. It's okay. They can't hurt us anymore. It's okay. Sweetheart, I had already spoken with the pastor before confronting you, and he promised us victory. I want us to meet with him, okay? Be rest assured that the plans of the enemy in our lives will be shattered, okay? Don't be scared. I'm with you.
Mr. and Mrs. Ifudu, I thank God that people are here today. The Bible makes us understand that when the Redeemer of the Lord returns, there is rejoicing in heaven. I thank God that people are here today. He said, I will contend with him that will contend with you. Thank you, Jesus. He said the snare is broken and we are escaped. He said that even the prey of the mighty will be taken away by that one who is higher than him. And who is higher? He is the mightier than the mightiest, our Lord Jesus. Let us pray. Ye power of Uche. You devil, you have no place here. I come against you in the name of my Lord Jesus. I come against you. The power from the pit of hell. I come against the house of God. He that is in him is greater than he that is in you.
I told you this thing will not work. You wouldn't listen to me. This thing will not work. We are in the problem. Oh.
Relax, we are not. There is no situation above God.
So why wasn't the pastor able to save the situation now? If we've only listened to my pastor.
Sweetheart, we need to calm down and look for a way forward.
There is no other way forward. It's obvious you are going to die.
No, I won't. My life is in the hands of God. Relax.
Tonight is the night. She must die. Her soul belongs to me.
You will not harm my woman.
Stay away, you feeble thing, before you join her in death.
My baby!
Get it, woman. The time is over, you creature of an ancient evil. Now flee from here.
No, please stop! No!
Do not be afraid, for God is the armor of battle, and his shield is upon you.
How dare you interfere? Want to stay away from my affair?
Flee!
You enemy!
Who are you?
I'm an angel of the Most High God, sent from heaven for this very assignment. God has foreseen this, and for that reason, I took the form of man to dwell among you for a day like this.
But you are a child.
I'm a guardian angel, but the child of the Most High God.
Thank you. Thank you for saving my life.
I'm only a servant of the Most High God. I deserve no praise, but He that sent me. Now that my mission is accomplished, I shall go back to where I belong. But before I go, let me warn you that what is Caesar's must return to Caesar, and what is God to God. You bear a child, and you shall call his name Emmanuel, for God is with you.
It's no joke. You can ask my wife. It happened. I'm telling you, and all these things happened within a space of 1 week.
Are you serious?
First, my wife and I, we came back. We saw that our big house, it was on fire. I'm telling you, fire, notes. It was on fire. All my cars were on fire in that house. I don't know how it happened. The next thing, I got a call that my petrol station was also on fire. We left and we went to a hotel to rest. The next day, I got a call at my house. You know my big house in the village?
Yes,
yes. Down there. My house collapsed completely. I now decided to start another business. You know, do something else. Just leave that area for them. My two friends that introduced me to the business, I didn't know that those guys were fraudsters. The next thing, EFCC, boom.
Don't believe it.
My accounts were frozen. I just got out now. I'm telling you, the case is still in court. One day, see me now, back to my house in the village. So I'm now 1880.
This is serious.
I thank you, brother. Huh? Honestly, I thank you, Collins. At least you even, immediately you heard this, you decided to call and even come down here to check on me. Unlike my other friends in the oil and gas sector, everybody has forgotten me. Even the people I helped. Everybody.
God will not forgive me if I abandon you, Uche. I mean, not after all you did for me, practically introducing me to this business that have turned me into money god. That even more of my friends envy me. Yours is a golden heart, and that is why I have decided to reward you. Here is a check for 10 million naira. Let's just say it's a non-refundable loan. You can have it.
Hey! Hi!
Just take it.
Hi! God bless you, my brother. God bless you.
For
God
me?
bless you.
Don't say it. You deserve more of this.
God bless you.
Child. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Yes.
Hey.
Thank you. At least you remember.
I will always remember you. Rise, my friend, my brother. One more. Rise.
May God bless you, my dear.
I think I'll be running now.
Yeah. You won't take him off?
Don't worry. He knows how we do it.
You can take it home.
Come on, Uche. Please, do take care of him.
I always do.
Please, take care of him. Let me run.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you
very much. God bless you.
That's fine.
Emeka, offer. Okay, about the contract, no problems at all. I got the contract. Yes, they've even given me a mobilization fee. Of course. So just send me account number. Hopefully tomorrow I'll transfer 12 million naira into your account. Yeah, no problems at all. But listen, I hope you will deliver. That's my own, but the money is not a problem. You know, I'll be very busy. I won't be able to check on you. Hope you will deliver. This thing, Okwa state government contract. Because huh? I need to be sure you. Wait, hold on. I'll call you back, Pico. Doctor, Alpha.
Mr. Egbo, congratulations. Your wife just delivered of a bouncing baby boy.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Thank you. Hey. Can I see her now?
Don't be in a hurry. Just a few minutes. I'll see you.
Thank you. Amanda, how could you? Huh? How could you? You mean you brought in a total stranger into this house, my house, without informing me? Odemma?
Honey, I'm very sorry. I should have told you. But considering the story I just told you about her, I think we should please adopt her.
Excuse me. Adopt who? Did you just hear yourself? It be one of this country. Huh? I mean, considering what the society is like right now, this wicked world, wicked society. You want to adopt a child you just picked up from the church gates. You don't even know her.
I know, my love.
Inokwa?
I know everything. I know how you feel about this. But please, you have to calm down and understand me, okay? The girl is homeless and helpless. She told me her story, and it would be so wicked of me to have left her in that condition after hearing her story. So I picked her up. Please, honey, let's forget about how the society sees this. Let's do it for our conscience. For God too. Please. Please.
I'll do this for you. I'll allow her to stay. For now. Adopting her. For now. I say no.